War in a safely manner.
No, we're not. It's Tug of War time. Whoever wins out of the end of the day wins 10k cash. Woo!
Bunch of green.
Somebody once told me the word.
I'm back, baby.
And back. Fatality.
Right, Maxie, it's that time, eh? Me versus you.
Max is still single if he's ready to mingle. Come on, Max, jump off, I'll show you how it's done. I'll give it a crack. Yeah, show me. Tell me when. Go! Oh, she snapped!
He used his arm.
I reckon it's time for a change.
Yeah.
She's all snapped. All snapped. Oh.
Fatality.
Yeah, oh, that hurt. That got me good. That's how you do it, Maxie. Take her away. Take her away. Get her out of here. Go. Come on, Maxie. Come on, mate. You got this.
Okay, bigger isn't always better, mate, but in this case it is.
This has got a lot of girth.
Hey, John.
Yeah?
Maybe not use your arm for this time.
Alright.
Because, you know, if I was to do that, I'd clearly win.
Well,
so I'll give you a bit of a chance and not use my arm.
Well, I lost $100 last time because you won over Max. Let's go. Give me a high five.
Ready?
Oh, come on. No! Come on, get this arm. No! No chance.
So that was a easy win for me, 5-ton machine, or 5.5 ton. And that brings us on to the next machine. Of course, Josh wants to go get the bigger machine just to prove a point. Plus, he doesn't want to buy me lunch, so yeah. Of course, you're the one to grab it.
You know they always say, bigger is better, like you just said before?
Yeah.
Well, bigger is better sometimes.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, Maxie, they don't call him Mr. Big for no reason, if any of you ladies out there listening. Let's see how you go with this baby. You need a bit of an advantage?
I might actually.
You
Let's
reckon?
just give me an advantage.
I'll give you a little bit.
A little bit.
Everyone needs just a little bit more, don't they?
Yeah.
Give me a high five. Are you ready?
Fight.
Looks like
Big green machine.
oh yeah, you've definitely got a chance in that thing, haven't you? Yeah, look mate. Definitely got a chance.
Oh, he's gonna stall it. Oh, he did stall it. Oh, he stalled it.
Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Max!
He just ran over Nick.
Oh!
Be careful. Alright, Maxie, just get this out of here, go park it back up, we'll get the next one in. Come on, Maxie. Stop stalling it. Gotta learn something, huh? Get it out of here, come on. Next.
Ladies, if you're watching this and you like a man that can drive manual, Max ain't your man. Fair is fair, everybody gets a go at this place. Keep coming.
Alright guys, he's ready. Yep. On your marks, get set, go! Oh, whoa, 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 stop, 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 stop.
I felt that.
Did you felt that?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's actually ripped all that tow bar underneath.
You're joking.
You've got to be kidding me. That's about 2K, I reckon. Fix that. Maybe 1,500. I just seen it just go, like, just straight down.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she's gone, mate.
She's gone?
She's gone.
Yeah.
Another one bites the dust.
Oh, we'll get that one out. Take it to the workshop, Nico.
Yeah, no worries, mate.
What's next, Maxie?
Well,
Fatality.
right, Maxie, it's that time, eh? Me versus you. And you know you ain't gonna win, mate. The stacks are out.
Stacks are out. Stacks are up.
Tell you what, Max, if I win, I'll give you $100. Would you do the same for me? You ain't gonna win anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It's time, show time, let's get it done.
Tug of War.
Tug of War.
Come on, Maxie.
No chance. No chance.
What you do, Maxie? You're digging to China. You're digging to China, mate. Oh, mate, nearly got there. Oh, jump out. Take her off. Oh, not so quick. I've got one more thing for you.
What's that?
Oh, let me just show you.
What do you got planned?
One more. One more thing.
Roll out.
You're kidding me. You're kidding me.
Hey Nick,
Yeah, mate.
you're right. Bigger is better. Can't beat a Mac.
This is going to be interesting.
Can't beat a Mac.
Fight.
You got me, Josh. That was a bit of a nasty surprise, I'd say.
Ah, you know.
And you know what gave you the advantage there?
What's that?
The torque on that thing.
Yeah, she's got some balls, hasn't
She's
it?
got some balls, and there's a little patch there that's a little bit grippier than the rest.
You reckon?
Yeah, because as you hit that spot there, you kind of started pulling me.
Yeah.
And funny enough, with that machine, even if you put the tracks the opposite way, if the pressure's pulling hard enough, the tracks still go with you.
Yeah.
It's crazy, but you got me. But that 10 grand, that's still mine.
Sorry, mate. I think I might just keep this for a little bit longer.
That was pre-planned, I reckon. Thoughts, Maxie? You're not happy about it either, are you, mate? Nah. Well,
How about we do I'll give you a little bit, but you're going to have to go for a bit of a run.
he really wants it. Whoa! Woo! Hey! How much do you get? Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. I'm happy. Got a couple $100 out of it. Max is happy.
Yeah.
Got a couple $100 out of it. Catch us on the next video.
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.
Max is still single if he's ready to mingle. Better luck next time, boys. And remember, don't try this at home, leave it to the professionals. Exercise, boys. It's time to exercise. Push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You ready?
All right. You ready to race? Quick bet on an excavator race. Place your bets on who's going to take place. No more bets. On your marks. Get set.
Fight.
Go. Come on, come on. It's a close one. Oh, 2.5 workers on it. Yeah! That was gold. See you on the next one, you sneaky mongoose.